Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki and the Deputy Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shai will on Tuesday meet with the chairman of the People Democratic Party (PDP) for Edo State, Tony Azigbime, and other members of the PDP State Executive Committee to make plans ahead of the local government election where they come up for the state. Obaseki will speak to three people after the closed-door meeting for the PDP Secretariat for Benin City. Contact said this na State Executive Council meeting will be the highest policy-making body for PDP for the state, and this meeting will bring everybody on board as they want move into the next stage of political activities for the state. It can beg all the party executive and members make them work in unity so that them go get victories for the local government election where they come. Obaseki constantly talk say the crack wey dey the party don't heal, even though say some people still get small differences for inside the party. He can't talk say PDP na the ruling party for Edo State and them go continue to dominate the state.
This is a State Executive Committee meeting, which is the highest policy-making body of PDP in the state. And ahead of our local government elections, after the last set of elections, we are reorganizing, we are recalibrating the party, because it's going to be a war machine that we are creating. This meeting is to bring everybody on board, make sure that all members, particularly the leaders of the party, feel a sense of inclusion, feel a sense of participation, and for us to make sure that we carry everybody along as we move to the next stage of our political activities. The crack didn't have anything to do with, it wasn't that fundamental, because if it was, we would not have won the number of seats we won in the House of Assembly. So I think the crack has been healed, it's mended. Clearly, there might be some people who still have fundamental differences with the mainstream of the party, and it's not stopping anything. The party will continue to grow, the party will continue to wax strong and dominate the state. PDP is the ruling party, the main party in Edo State, and will continue to remain so. So the goal now is to try and get more members, get more of our citizens to see the good work PDP is doing in the states and join us so that we can move Edo forward.
From Benin City, Ekata Ujeseli, TMC TV News.